Hi, this is Mark with Brand Source Service, and today we're showing you if you're using the right soap and the correct amount of soap on your washing machines. So this is for front load and top load washers, but for today we're going to show you a front load washer. So first of all, you're going to want to use a soap that has the HE symbol, which would be high efficiency, and those are going to be higher concentrated, so you're going to use significantly less soap than you used to. So when filling your machine, it may have a max line, but generally it's about 2 tablespoons of liquid soap. So to test if you're using too much soap, after you've done a load, you're just going to start a normal cycle. So here we're going to do a speed wash. We'll start the machine. You're going to want to let the machine fill and agitate, and after it's run for about 5 minutes, we can open that machine up, look inside and see if there's suds. If there's suds and you haven't put any soap in because we're not doing a load, we're just doing a test, that means you have soap left over from your previous wash. So if your machine has suds in here and we didn't add any soap, that means the rinse did not get all your soap out of there. So use a washing machine cleaner and then try the test again. Stay tuned weekly for new videos.